Hey there! Is your Sharp LED TV displaying a blue screen when you try to use an HDMI input? If you're wondering how to fix Sharp LED TV HDMI blue screen issues, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this problem, so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies without any hassle. Step 1. Check the HDMI cable and connection. First things first, let's make sure your HDMI cables are correctly connected and functioning. Loose or damaged cables can often lead to a blue screen. Inspect the cable. Check for any visible signs of damage, bends, or frays on the HDMI cable. If it's damaged, consider replacing it with a new, high-quality cable for optimal performance. Ensure secure connections. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the TV and the connected device, such as a Blu-ray player or a gaming console. Reinsert the cable, ensuring it clicks firmly into place in both ports. Step 2. Cycle the power. Another simple yet effective method is to power cycle your devices. This process refreshes connections and often fixes minor glitches. Unplug the TV from the power source. Wait for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Connected device. Similarly, power off the connected device. Unplug it from power, wait a minute, then reconnect and turn it on. Step 3. Select the correct input. Your TV might be on the wrong input source, which can cause the blue screen. Use your remote to navigate to the input or source menu. Ensure the HDMI input you're using is selected. This is often labeled as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc., depending on which port the device is connected to. Step 4. Update the firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes lead to HDMI recognition issues. Keeping your Sharp LED TV updated is crucial. Check for updates. Access the settings menu on your TV. Find the Update or Software section and check for available updates. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install any updates. Step 5. Test with another device. Sometimes the issue might be with the device rather than the TV or cable. Try different devices. Connect a different device using the same HDMI cable and input port to check if the blue screen still appears. If the issue is resolved, the original device may need further troubleshooting. Step 6. Adjust TV resolution settings. Incompatibility in resolution settings between the TV and connected device can cause display issues. Adjust resolution. On the device connected to your TV, access the display settings and adjust the resolution to match that of your TV. Typically, setting it to 1080p works well if your TV supports HD. Experiencing a blue screen on your Sharp LED TV when using HDMI can be frustrating, but with these straightforward solutions, you should be able to resolve the issue quickly. Whether it's examining the HDMI cables, ensuring correct input selection, or updating your TV's firmware, these steps will help eliminate the problem. Remember, always handle your electronic devices carefully and refer to your TV's user manual for additional help. Enjoy uninterrupted viewing with your Sharp LED TV once again.